Hello, everyone. Are you the type of person that wakes up with an incredible desire to eat something delicious? I am. And is there a heartier, more comforting breakfast than pancakes? I can't think of any, and I've been fortunate enough to eat breakfast all over the world. The key to a great pancake is great batter, and this buttery batter will yield some extreme flapjacks. And feel free to make extra batter and store it in the fridge for a couple of days, because you never know when a pancake craving will hit. So as you can imagine, today I'm going to show you how to prepare super delicious pancakes. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and cooking oil or butter for greasing the pan. And you will also need to get a mixing bowl, a whisk or fork, measuring cups and spoons, a non-stick skillet or griddle, a spatula or pancake flipper, and a ladle or measuring cup for pouring batter. Once you have all that, let's get into it. First, in a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, milk, egg, and melted butter until thoroughly combined. Then pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Stir with a whisk or fork until just combined. Do not overmix. A few lumps in the batter are okay. After that, place a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Allow it to heat up for a few minutes. Lightly grease the pan or griddle with cooking oil or butter to prevent the pancakes from sticking. Use a ladle or measuring cup to pour about 1/4 of a cup of batter onto the heated pan for each pancake. You can adjust the amount of batter based on your preferred pancake size. Cook the pancakes for about 2 minutes or until bubbles start to form on the surface. Flip the pancakes with a spatula or pancake flipper and cook for an additional 2 minutes or until golden brown. Then continue pouring the batter and cooking pancakes until all the batter is used. You may need to adjust the heat slightly if the pancakes are cooking too quickly or not browning evenly. Once the pancakes are cooked to your desired level of doneness, transfer them to a plate. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings such as maple syrup, fresh fruit, whipped cream, or butter. That's it. I love them with strawberries, whipped cream, and honey. Let me know in the comments which are your favorites. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. See you next time.